Videos can be an extremely beneficial educational tool to explain complex concepts or tell a larger story. Since videos are becoming more relied on to convey lessons, their accessibility is very important. There are two primary ways that videos can be made accessible: captioning them in YouTube and sharing them through Moodle. The example being used for this video has already been uploaded into YouTube. If you would like assistance with uploading or creating great-looking videos, our office would be happy to help. Regarding captions, YouTube will auto-generate captions for videos that have been uploaded. These captions need to be edited before a video is shared with students, though, because they're computer-generated. This means there will not be grammar to separate sentences or ideas, and it will likely have misinterpreted certain words or phrases, especially if the audio quality is poor, the speaker has a strong accent, or technical language is used. If a student is reading a transcript or captions, maybe because they're working at night in a dorm room or they have some level of deafness, inaccurate captions can cause confusion or misunderstandings. To edit captions, start signing in to your YouTube account and heading to the YouTube Studio. This is the part of YouTube users interact with if they need to upload videos, edit them, or manage their channel. To the left is a navigation pane for these things. Click on the option that says Subtitles, and a list of all the channel's videos will appear. Pick the one that needs captions, and this page that lists the subtitle options will load. The one that says English Automatic is the one that the auto-generated captions created. Click Duplicate and Edit to make a copy of them, then edit the grammar and text to be correct. Once finished, click Publish, and the captions will be made available to viewers. In our office, we most frequently encounter people who want to link an educational video into their Moodle shell, but it doesn't have captions, or the captions are auto-generated and inaccurate. The workaround for this is to use a transcript that is linked alongside the video. A transcript is any document that contains the spoken content of a video and identifies the speaker or other relevant sounds. Audio sources like NPR broadcasts or podcasts can often have transcripts available because they want to increase their audience range. If the video you want to use does not have captions and no transcript is available, contact the Office of Online and Distance Learning and we can help get something put together for you. Once the transcript is ready, all you have to do is make it available in your Moodle shell by linking or uploading the file. This video has been made accessible, so let's take a look at what makes it so. First, it has captions that have been edited to be accurate and easy to read. Second, the visual can be perceived because the video isn't too dark or light and the foreground can be discerned from the background. Third, the audio is loud and clear. It is free of background noise and the microphone used picks up my voice clearly. Fourth, there are no sudden flashes that might induce seizures or headaches in the viewer. Thank you for taking time to learn about the accessibility of videos. If you need further assistance, the Office of Online and Distance Learning is available to help.